No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so instinctive, unnatural. I got a vendetta against people who passionate. Being negative, will I still be getting after it? I got facts over facts over tracks. Fast, slow, spitting fast, off the road, smoking gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious. Because of my own interior and ethereal. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say in the back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah. No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gotta learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Grab it on and let you go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head.
Po, magandang umaga mga ka-may word, mga ka-may solids, Edward Solids, and lahat na ng mahal kay May at kay Edward. Of course, Alexander here, wishing na sana nandyan pa rin kayo para kay May and kay Edward from 2016 all the way na yan hanggang sa ayawan na nila ang show business. Of course, with their product endorsing Lace, narito po ang kanilang mga latest videos. Mapa flyers, come on, solid shippers and all. Ito na po ang ating update ngayong umaga. May Entrata said sa kanyang Lace paid advertisement sa kanyang Instagram. Sabi niya, got a solo moment with the amazing crunch of Lace tags. Sa lakas ng crunch, di ko na narinig pinag-uusapan nila sa likod. Deliciously distracting daw po. Ayun mga kaibigan, hindi lang si May ang nag-post nito kasi pati na rin si Eduardo like 3 days ago, ipinost din ni Edward sa kanyang Instagram ang clip na ipinakita ko sa inyo guys at yun ay of course salamat sa Lace Philippines sa tiwala. Sa patuloy na tiwala nila kay Mary May Entrata and Edward John Bobber. Ayun. Dito sa thread ni May, ang sabi dito, 16 hours ago, mababaliw na kami kakahula kung sino ang K-pop na collab mo. Hindi na kami makapag-antay. Ikaw relax na relax pa, lace lang. Bibili din yan ako sa Sunday, day off ko. At abangan na naman kita sa asap natin to. Gladys Pedrera says, ang sexy naman. This is a place in Davao, which Samal Island, maganda dyan. May white sand with nice view at maganda din ang dagat dyan. Of course, napuntahan din natin yan. Personally, napuntahan ko din yan at ang ganda-ganda doon. I can vouch on that. And then, yes, if you do have time, visit Samal Island at ma-enjoy nyo ang kagandahan ng island na iyan. Ayan, ang hot naman, my loves. Sabi ni Val Andres, Diyos ka Lord, May, unsa ka man, uy, bakit ang very hotly sexy, beautiful soul you are naman. God is so good, love, especially my favorite Max Lace. Yay! Super yummy. Ayan, Angela Ken, solo mo pala. Penge naman ate. O diba, Angela Ken ng Star Magic Philippines artist yan. O diba? Nagkakalaman na siya, nakaka-proud. Sana all talaga in love. Blooming talaga kapag nasa tamang tao ka. Yes, ilan yan sa mga komento ng mga taga-subaybay ni May sa kanyang paid ads, ang Lace Philippines, and then of course Edward John Barber. Pahuhuli ba yan? Of course hindi, dahilan sa Lace Philippines din ang Edward John Barber, at isa din siya sa nagpo-promote nito. Kasali dyan, nakita ko din Catherine Bernardo on Lace of Philippines. Yes, Alexander Lexter Jules. Yan muna ang ating upload with Mama and Edward on the Lace Philippines. If you do have time, come on. Baba na, punta na sa shop at bili na ng Lace Philippines bilang pagmamahal kay Mama and kay Edward, at i-embrace natin every product na magtitiwala kay Mary Del Mama Entrata and Edward John Barber. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
Enjoy waves of flavor in every crunchy bite. New Lay's Wavy, 30 pesos lang.
Uy, buang, kaya mo yan.
Hindi ganito lang po, Edward, you rap. Now na. Hindi, ito po. Mahirap, sabi ko. Noon na, sabi ko sa kanya, Edward ba, mag-rap ka daw. No!
Hindi. Umalis ako.
As in, takot siya. Kulang lang, iyak na lang siya talaga, sabi ko. Pero sabi ko, Edward, huwag mong gawin sa bagay kung hindi mo naman, kung ayaw mo,
Actually, yung point...
tapos, parang nakikita niya ako na, kasi yung rap din sa akin, may rap din ako.
Yung kay Nicki Minaj.
Ex ba talaga kay Nicki Minaj? Hindi ako mag-rap.
Yung English,
Sabi ko,
nahirapan siya at the beginning.
Oo, tsaka yung, paano yung, is one of the boys, parang English ba yun? Siyempre, dapat maganda yung punctuation or pronunciation.
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 Actually, I memorized her rap because I was trying to teach it to her.
Sagit lang na. Oo, tapos sabi ko, Edward, tulungan mo naman ako. Tapos sabi niya, this one, galing ka naman na. Ayoko talaga mag-rap. Sige. Tapos parang nakita niya ako na talaga. Tapos sabi niya, sige na nga, mag-rap na. Kasi nakita niya na, kasi wala kaming choice. Saka mas maganda din yung, may bago kami matutunan. At saka din namin masarap sa feeling na hindi namin in-expect talaga na nagawa namin yung pagtapos magawa mo yun. Happy ka na kasi meron pala akong side na ganito, hindi pala akong
May new skill naman. Hindi naman skill, pero at least you try something new.
Oo.
Mas masarap yung pakiramdam ko ngayon dahil ginawa ko yung rap.
But you really did well.
Wow!